you will learn GST module. So let's begin. In GST module, you will learn the feature and configuration about the GST module. GST, we will get the overview of GST workspace. Then we will learn how to access GST workspace, how to go to accounting module, how we set the GST settings, and all these things. Also, we will look out the dashboard of pending e-way bills, pending e-invoices, and cancel invoices counts. In short, user can access GST settings, and we will get the overview of GSTR1, GSTR3B, and HSN code-wise summary reports. Then we will take the overview of GST settings. In this, we will click the General tab. In this screen, we will check how to manage and uncheck the controls of view tax breakup, and based on HSN code, valid HSN SAC code in the sales items and transactions, enabling reserve charges in a sale transaction, enabling sales overseas transaction, round up GST values, required supplier invoice number for GST purchase, etc. We will go through all these settings, and we will check all these settings in a GST settings module. Also, we will see the GST setting account tab. In this, you can get the company-wise GST account linking details, where you can get the overview of all ledgers which is linked by the particular company. And in credential tab, we will take the overview of company credential and its GSTN number and its username and password. Also, we will go for the reports details for the GST sale register, how we will generate. We will see by generating one GST sale register. Similarly, we will also generating the GST purchase register as well, and we will see what is the HSN code and how we can connect the GST tax template to that particular HSN code. So let's go to our ERPNext application. Here I already opened my web browser and I have entered my username and password in my web browser's address bar. Now I have landed on my login page and I entered my username and password. Now I'm going to click on login button. Once you click on login button, then you will be landed on a home page where you can see the home doc type and its workspace. On my right hand side, you will get the details about the workspace, and on left hand side, you will get the module navigation bar where you can check all the modules are listed down on a module navigation bar. One is home module, another one is helpx, then accounting, buying, selling, stock, HR, manufacturing, quality, CRM, projects, support, user, website, loans, payroll, bill, tools, ERPNext settings, integration, and ERPNext integration. These are the all modules available in ERPNext application. You can get access all these modules according to your business need. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the GST module. So for access the GST India module, you need to go to the awesome bar and you need to type a GST India, or you just need to type a GST. Then you will see that all GST related commands will get populated on a download bar. and from these commands you can open a GST India command. Now I have clicked on open GST India command, and now I will be landed on a GST India. Once you be landed on GST India doc type, on the workspace you will get the dashboards of pending e-way bills, dashboards of pending e-invoices, and the total count of cancelled invoices from the active e-invoice portal. Also in the shortcut node you will get GST settings, then GSTR1 cell, GSTR1 register. Also you will get GSTR3B register, and you can get the HSN code wise summary and India compliance account. Also you can get the overview of India compliance account under the shortcut node. More, go to the download side. Under the node of reports and master, you can get sale and purchase report, the GST sale register, GST purchase register, GST atomized sales register, that means atom-wise sale register, and also you will get a GST atom-wise purchase register and bill of entry summary. Then under the logs, you can get ELB logs, e-invoicing logs, integration request from the third party or any GST portal or any GST or e-way bill portal integration request. Then other GST report, you will get e-invoice summary, GSTR3B, GST balance, how much balance we need to pay or liable to pay for the GST council, then HSN wise summary of outward supplies, and you will get the overview of audit trail. Now we will see about the GST settings. So for under the shortcut node, click on GST settings. Then you will be landed on a GST setting doc type. Here you can get a three major tab. One is the general tab, second one is the account tab, and third one is the credential tab. In general tab, you will get some settings checkboxes here. View tax breakup table based on HSN code. If you wanted to view a tax breakup of HSN code wise tax breakup, then you need to check this flag to enable a tax breakup for HSN code. Also, if you want to validate HSN code in sales items and sales related transaction, then you can activate this flag. Once you have entered the HSN code in a sales quotation or a sales invoice, then it will get automatically validated for the same. Then if you want to, if you are doing some special economic zone customer billing or overseas transaction, then you can enable this flag, enable sales and overseas transaction. Fields and validation for this transaction will apply based on this setting. That means in India, if you are doing a billing for the special economic zone, in that case GST will be a get bypassed because GST is not applicable. It is exempted by the government of India and GST Council under the special economic zone business class, and also for the overseas transaction as well. Also, if you want to round up the GST values, then you can activate this flag. Then it will be GST will be get rounded up as per the norms. But mostly in Indian business, all the GST tax will get not rounded up. People and all business houses will keep as it is the GST. They are not going to make a round of it. Then if you enable this flag, required supplier invoice number for GST purchases, then this will become a mandatory for all purchases supplier invoice number will be mandatory for all purchases. So that whenever you generate a purchase receipt with the GST and taxation, then it will become invoice number will become automatically a mandatory field. But in case of unregistered suppliers, this is not applicable for the unregistered supplier who are not registered for the GST councils. Now, under the section of API, by default in ERPNext application, enable API feature. API is already connected to the e-way bill and e-invoicing portals to the government or GST Council's portal. So this flag is automatically enabled in ERPNext application. Retry e-invoice. If you want to enable the API for retry, then you can get that API key from the retry purpose, and you can make configuration by using that API. And you can, if you enable this flag, then you need retry API for e-invoicing and e-way bill from the portal. A retry functionality will be used automatically retry e-invoices and e-way bill generation for GST and GSP server errors. So this is mostly not required, but some of the company will get that API, and that API will get linked to ERPNext applications. Also, e-way bill is in ERPNext by default. E-way bill feature is applicable, but there are some of the settings. Enable e-way bill generation from delivery note. If you want to activate this flag, then e-way bill will be generated from delivery note itself. The ERPNext system will not check whether it is a delivery note doc type or invoice doc type. So through delivery note, the e-way bill will get generated. Or automatically generate e-way bill invoice on submission flag. If you enable this flag, then e-way bill will be automatically generated if invoice value goes beyond 50,000 or more than 50,000. In India, e-way bill current limit is 50,000 rupees. If invoice value goes beyond 50,000 rupees, then ERPNext system will automatically generate the e-way bill once you submit the invoice copy. So this way you can use these settings while generating e-way bill and e-invoicing portal. Also, you can attach e-way bill print after generation. The PDF will automatically generated for the e-way bill, and that same PDF will get attached to your invoicing, and that e-way bill you can send through your transporter along with your invoice, and this will be automatically attached. ERPNext application will automatically attach that e-way bill to your invoice. So this is one of the most important feature available in ERPNext application. Also, other APIs, if you consider other APIs, then autofill of party information based on GST number. Once you can enter the GST number, then all detail will get fetched automatically for the invoicing and e-way bill purpose. Then user need not to re-enter it again and again. So once you enter the GST number at the time of customer creation or supplier creation, address and everything will be get automatically fetched based on the GST and entered. So this is one of the most beautiful feature available in ERPNext. Also, refresh and validate GST status in transaction. This feature is also one of the most important feature. Suppose what happened after some time or some time of frame, then GST number will get inactivated due to somehow reasons. In that case, whenever GSTN number entered, during that transaction, ERPNext system will automatically refresh that and check that whether that GSTN number is active or not. If this GSTN number is not get active, then ERPNext application will give the pop-up error pop-up that GST is inactive or it is disabled. So that period is a GSTN status refresh interval period is a 30 days period. Every 30 days, system will automatically refresh it and validate that GSTN number of all the database, all the masters in a database of ERPNext application. So this is automatically get refreshed and all the active GST number list will get verified in interval of every 30 days. In accounting tab, if you go to accounting tab, you will see all the ledgers which is at the time of company creation. We can, when you use India chart of account, then automatically all these ledgers of GST ledgers will created and get linked to all your companies. Here I have two companies, or in fact 3 companies, and all 3 companies which register under the India chart of account, it get linked automatically all these GST accounts. Also, if you want to save your GST and credential into ERPNext application, then you can enter the company-wise GSTN number, its username and password, and you can save that into our ERPNext application database. So this facility is also available in ERPNext. So go to GST India doc type, and we have seen the GST setting. Now we will go to the GSTR1 report, and here you can generate a GSTR1 report by using your company address or GSTN number, or you can use the date filter, and you can generate the report from B2B, B2C, or if you want any report. These are the report types related to GST. You can use any report for the specific periods. Here I'm using a period from 1st January to till date or today. And if you select a particular report, then you will get if data is available, then report will get generated. Here, if you select another company, you can select any company who are registered in this ERPNext company. So here if I'm selecting, or any GSTN base report is generated, then that report will get reflected, or that transaction will get reflected into the GSTR1 account. So go back to again GST India command, and similarly to GSTR1, you can view the GSTR3B, and you can view the HSN code wise summary as well. These are the HSN code. If you want to add any HSN code into GST account, then here you need to just click on add GSTN button, and here you need to give GSTN code details, its description, and you can add a tax template for this particular HSN code. Suppose if I entered 0001, and here if I want to give the description, and here I'm able to link the particular GST tax template. So now here I'm selecting GST 18%, and for my company is Electrotech. So here, in that way, I can connect a particular tax template to particular HSN code. This is the simplest way to connect a HSN code and GST tax template. Here you can see the reports for cell register, GST cell register. This is our company GSTN number, the place of supply, and the customer category is unregistered. Whatever the sales transaction we have done, all sales transaction has been gone to the unregistered customer. Our none of customer is registered for the GST council, but still we are registered, and that's why we need to deduct a GST tax code. So here, if you see that the basic price, on basic price we have calculated as per the government norm, we have calculated the output CGST and HGST tax code, and we have paid all this total tax to the government of India. So this way you can deduct the tax and you can pay that GST against this GST number. So this is the way you can check the summary data of sale register, as well as the similar to sale register, we also have deducted the GSTN for the purchases also. Here, if you see that if your supplier is registered, then supplier will also attach the similar tax code to us also, and we need to pay that tax for the government. So this is the way you can check the sale register, purchase register, and if you want to check the atom wise purchase register or sale register, you can able to get the list of atom wise sale purchase register. If you want to customize this report, then go to the menu button and you will be able to export this report into Excel sheet, or you can able to add and remove columns from the report. Here you need to select a document type from which you want to add some of the fields, and here you can get the field name and you can insert wherever you want this column. Now I have selected from atom doc type, I have selected the brand field and I'm going to insert after atom code. So I'm submitting it, and here if you see that after the atom code my brand column is now added. So this way you can very easily customize your reports and you will be able to modify or customize your report at your user levels. So this is the about the reports, and similar to that you can get the HSNY summary for outward supply. If you go to the HSNY summary outward supply, you can get that report also. Here these tools are the HSN codes against we have made some transaction and we have sold the quantities, and we can get the total amount detail as well as we will get the taxable amount details, and we will see the taxation of all these items. So here you will get the clear-cut picture of HSN code-wise taxation details in our ERPNext application. So this is the way you can generate the report and you will get the detailed summary. So, and now we will see the integration request. What is the integration request? Here you can see the integration request done by India Compliance API, and again India Compliance API. Whenever we created a company details, you can get all these automatically connected to our ERPNext application. We have created 3 companies. One is Philian Ventures, another one is Electrotech, and third one is a US tool. So these 3 companies API will get automatically connected or created while doing the company setups. So this is the facility of ERPNext application provided us to get automatically linked to the GST Council portals. So this is about the GST India module. Thank you.